Good morning, friends. Dustin here, and we are making huge progress on the house. Huge. Last video I posted, we're getting ready to pour the concrete for our front patio here, front porch here. That happened on Monday, and then on the preceding 4 days, they basically built the rest of the house. So, lots of stuff has happened in a short amount of time. The guys are killing it. They are really getting this thing done. They're doing a good job too. So anyway, here's the concrete they poured on Monday. This is gonna be our front porch. Yeah, it's 36 feet long. It's gonna be awesome. Nice thick concrete. We're not ever gonna have to replace any of this, you know. This is actually reinforced concrete. You can see the little fibers in it. That's fiberglass. So yeah, this front porch is going to last a very long time. Then I got the rest of the walls up, framed out. Got the headers framed in. And then yesterday they set trusses and got quite a bit of sheeting on already. So we're starting to get to some of the funner parts, guys. You know, all the framing is going to go pretty fast, and then it's going to be dried in, and then it's going to slow right back down again. A lot of insulation, a lot of electrical, a lot of plumbing, and drywall, and then finally trim work and flooring and paint, which that stuff takes a long time, guys. That's, you know, a huge killer on projects. You know, that's the bulk of the work, really. You know, there's a lot of heavy work and all this, but it's all rough in stuff, so you can really slam it together. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to be functional. But I like it. I think it looks good. I think it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, all the windows are all framed out now, guys, with our full header pieces on them. This back here is gonna be our sliding glass door, and like I said, it's gonna be an awesome view, minus the telehandler. Huge space. I mean, look at the size of this door. It's all gonna be glass. It's gonna be awesome. You know, we got nice little overhangs, little soffits on the house. Got some protection. Huge roof. 812 pitch, so we have plenty of attic space, a lot of place to let the heat go. There's a big front window. Gonna block out a little bit of the sun, which, you know, summertime, that'll be nice, you know, keep some of the heat down inside. That's just gonna help with our efficiency. In the wintertime, you know, we might want a little bit more light, so I think underneath the soffits we're gonna paint white. We'll have some more reflectiveness to bring light into the living room space here and to the adjoining kitchen. Like I said, a lot of work done in a few short days. So this weekend we're actually doing some more exciting stuff. We're going to be picking colors for the siding. We're doing a diamond coat siding, which is a pre-colored siding. It's got like a 50-year warranty on it. It's supposed to be able to handle hail up to like 1.25 inches or something like that. So it should be pretty good. If that ever does get destroyed, you know, we got homeowners insurance for that, and we'll probably end up stuccoing the house. We just couldn't afford it to do it this time. It was a feature that we wanted to do, but the extra cost was just not in our budget. We're also going to be doing a metal roof on this thing, and lots of color options for metal roofs, you know. I think the roof also has a 50-year warranty on it. It's going to hold up to things pretty well. And of course we're going to be doing all the ice and water shield and stuff up there, trimming it all out, and then doing soffits and stuff too. So all those colors are going to get picked this weekend so we can get the exterior of the house dried in. We kind of have an idea of all the colors and stuff we want to go with already, so it shouldn't be too hard for us to dial in the exact colors and trim, siding, roof, and any accessories and stuff on there. I think it's going to go pretty well, pretty fast, and we're going to have all this stuff picked out and get it ordered on Monday. So by the end of the week, hopefully, we can have some of the stuff start to get delivered. And yeah, so in the next couple weeks, we plan on being fully dried in and sealed up completely on this thing. They're going to go ahead and finish sheeting the roof and get all the ice and water shield and all the tar paper and stuff up on it. It'll probably sit like that for a week or two while we're waiting for the roof to show up. But on the plus side, you know, we won't be getting any more water in the house. We have had about 2 rainstorms so far since the framing started. I'm not a big fan of getting water in all those fresh cut joints and stuff. You know, you got swelling and weird stuff happens. We want to keep as much moisture as possible out of the house. So we're getting real close to getting this thing all sealed up. It'll be house wrapped, you know, the windows will be put in, that sort of thing, and then we'll really be rocking and rolling at that point, guys. So yeah, a lot of progress already. Sorry I didn't have a video in between. They've just been working so fast, and like I said, it's the busy season for me too, at my shop that I own, and we've just been crazy with repairs and doing custom work on campers and tiny house stuff and that sort of thing. I'll have some more updates for you guys from the shop on some of that stuff. We are doing some pretty neat stuff that I think, you know, might interest some of you guys. I'm kind of all over the map on the videos, guys, so just feel free to browse through them, pick the ones you want to watch, and always please help us out. Like the videos, that helps a bunch, and then shoot a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do. We are doing a lot of cool stuff, and I think it's going to interest a lot of groups of people, whether they're into building houses or, you know, tiny houses on trailers or space efficiency. You know, that's kind of like one group. And then, you know, the other side, we're doing like metal work and working on cars, and we're doing some like budget race car stuff. That's going to be really cool. I think you guys would really like that. And actually, let's go. A little annoying noise in the background. Yeah, that thing over there. Like I was saying, budget race cars. That's Haley's Comet, and we'll be doing an update video on that car here pretty soon. It's finally on the road again, and it's gonna be pretty sick once I'm done with it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time.